So guys, you where they watch me, I don't know what is your secret of your wealth. My secret is hard work and God. I have God. That is my secret. So if you like, talk about Soma to 100 years. Soma will tell you, because my secret is deep. So if you want to bring me down, first of all, you have to bring God down. Don't mount. You want to bring me down, first of all, you bring God down. If you can be able to bring God down, then you can be able to bring me down. Then also, if you want to kill me, before you kill me, first of all, kill God. If you can be able to catch God and kill, then you can catch me and kill. That you're wasting your time, because see, let me show you. This is my chapel. So some people are misplacing something. Say some of us are traditionalists. This, that. You don't know the meaning of traditionalists. Don't know the meaning. That's why some people, some young boys are misbehaving. Some young boys don't know left, they don't know right. You can see a young boy today. You will say that when I give father cow, father will chop it. And I ask you, that native doctor where they give cow, who they chop am? You people are misplacing this thing, and that's why God is angry. Or some young youth, you can't carry God work or miracle, give it to somebody else. God created. That is not good. So to encourage all of you, when you are seeing some big men building church, doing all these things, you think that it's just nothing. It's not nothing. It's nothing. Any big man is going to go and build church and investing in church is the everlasting world. And I believe this one I give him is small. I'll give him more big, because God will always give me big. Let's go and enjoy the callings. My fans are seeing you, they're watching you. I'm in live video. You get the point. You see, we just sow seed to God.
Yes.
And they don't see him.
I saw it.
You know, what they say, some of us is have money. It's a ritualist.
That's
This is how we do our ritual.
You know, that's my boss. That's my boss.
You get the point. We're inside. Come inside now. So, Don, I'm inside. Let them bring more suya for me. What happened?
I want to know there. I can then actually recruit into the system of a traditional. Even they put very clear. And a lot of people should have break as you go. You hear me say your normal program. Engagement can come at Christmas here. And that watch go Christmas. So we are fully back into enlightening our people. And that gonna make people anya people gonna make. Yes, if I have business man, because almost dying and they are misunderstanding the whole process. That's why some of us we clear the air. For some of you, now some of us a traditionalist. Is a traditionalist. Or some they got a ifani. They got a ifani. Quandonia patarando for the name of Juena zigzag. They got to go. And the only video may one certain time. Now a lot of people, the big men, they follow. They make a sacrifice. So check a seed. Ya carry her throughout this year. Go on a car. In a wolo if you gen doka. In a wolo gen doka. Nkina jenye nwa dibia in a jafu. Onye na or the ghost call a jenye ha te go tevi ta rami na kujero ha. Oblo madu na eriye. Oh madu ge me ya. If I perish, I perish. Oh madu ge me ya. We are back in full speed and in full gear. Because I make sure if you may be Ogwa in a jar walk kitchen on and I one yak or jeme on your blue red in Chigarian Bacalo, a traditional list. What I go on Amos if you mado now observe culture and tradition of their people. As traditional people, I will and then a madden is soon a jar wagario montre cogua on a jago. Still a watch up a war okaka. I hope Nenolia. And then one reason a lot of the big men at the Jalo church. Get Nante came motive. Nante came motive. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. When people sow seed, they germinate. When people make sacrifices, they reap the fruit of their sacrifices. This is one thing distinguishing a rich man from a poor man. But a poor man, yeah, they claim one otherwise. A rich man and a been as if no man ife yet onyati neto or kudazo gomati ye could anything. Share this video. We are back. It's a new year and we are back this year with a new strategy. very aggressive one. Share this video.
Igbo bụ Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ Igbo mụrụ ise ma ọzọ ịma na-ege m ntị na na-ekele gị n'ụbọchị nke taa. Achọrọ m for this video na-emegodi video anyị na-apụtagodi first eme video. Ị na-enenechego ya bụ video. Ya video nwanne anyị nwoke mee. Mana o nwere one thing also na this video that gave me joy. You see this altar. No matter ihe ọbụla ị na-eme n'ụwa, have an altar. Have an altar. Like wee bi ụmụ ya na-akpọ altar. Whether ma ị bụ onye omenala, whether ma ị bụ onye ụka, ihe ọbụla ị na-eme, wee altar. This boy lụchara ụlọ n'ịchọ ọrụ, but he did not forget to add that altar. Ebe ọ na-eme ekpere. He now ask questions, say, "Kee the source of your income?" Because now my own source of income begin hard working and the chukwu. And God is his hard working. That means ọ na-alụ ọrụ chukwu na-agọzi ya from ọrụ ọ na-alụ. Even Bible said it that I will bless again. M ga-agọzi ihe na-eme iji wee meri ebe isi eri nri. I'll bless your hard work. Bro, ịpụta, you will not be doing anything. The one that even baffles me a lot is that now some people apụtago say that na ịpị ihe ọpịpị that is a hard work. It's not a hard work. It's not. For people that always say that is not a wife ihe ahụ na-apị na-ewere ego ndị mmadụ na akaụntụ ha. Is a complete 100% oshi ka ị na-ezu. If you don't know it. And go abụ nke nwaanyị na-esi ya ịma that na ọ na-eme that kind of thing wee were ya na-eri nri wee na-anara ya ego na-eri. Makwa that not the same thing ahụ eji measure ya waka ga-eji measure gị, because one is that na ịma na oli ka ọ na-esi, but because of akpịrị ogologo ekpere gị ị ganali ya the thing na-eri. Ọ bụghị mmezi youth one anaghị ekwu okwu ya. Ọ ebe a ka o si. Ebe a ka o si mgbe this man kwuru that na Nigeria youth na ọ dị lazy. Ọ dịka gasị na ọ maghị ihe ọ na-ekwu. But most of you people are very lazy that na unu amalụ ihe nkwụchi ike ime na-abụrụ ị na-analụ mmadụ nke oji eji. Imagine somebody working throughout all his or her life. Then old age ọ ga-eme enjoy ego save etu ka e were ya relax ahụ. Bịa pịa one or two thing wee nalịa. You a criminal, not only that bụkwa ị na-analụ ndị mmadụ n'ike, because so many people awụgo through this thing na-eme online. Na-apị small yahoo. So many people awụgo. Maka na onwere ndị na-ewere obi that na any little thing mere ha, the person will just go. Na sị na ihe nna unu mere. How do you know that no ihe ha mere nna ha ka unu? Ụfọdụ sị na ihe nna ha ya mere ha ka ha na-emegoro ha. What did they do to them? Nna unu anụghị ọgụ. Ị bịa nụwalụ ha ọgụ. Not even in a rightful way, but in a way that don't please human being. N'ihu Chukwu na n'ihu mmadụ, that is a crime. Ịkpọ ya na ị na-alụ ọrụ. And for mothers and fathers na-abụ ha bịa, they won't say anything. Ịma na nwa gị na-eme this kind of thing. Mana akpịrị ogologo ama nkwụkwọ gị were ego ahụ na-analụ na-etinye n'akpa. Mbọsị iwe Chukwu ga-adagide. Ọ ga-adakwasa gị dakwasịkwa nwa gị. God bless our brother. God bless him. That altar alone shows that na o jishichia ike. Unu afụgo na ọgwago unu again the secret of his words. The secret of again his words. Ọgwụ amazi the secret of your own words. Ọmụ amakwa my own secret of words. So onye ọbụla n'ebe a kịta ọnwụ ọma na own secret of words. Ma n'ihe ọbụla na-eme gbagbo mbọ yọba chi gị ka Chukwu gozie gị n'ihe ahụ ị na-eme. Ọ bụla afịa ka ị na-azụ, zụsiri ya ike ma na-arịọ Chukwu nna ka o mee gị nke o gozie gị n'afịa ahụ ị na-azụ. Ọgwanụ m ka ọla m n'ọnụ Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ka emesịa. Echefukwana ka subscribe, comment, share na on notification ka emesịa.